You want Jason to go first? All right, be
Careful.
Come on, Jay. Come on.
Cheese. Jason, say cheese. You okay? Watch out. I think we're getting a little tired. Cheese. Jay, cheese.
Cheese. You're standing on the right side. Stand on that side. They keep saying cheese over there.
Hold on, hold on.
Quick. 1.
No pushing.
2, 3. Go. Good one. Hey, Nicholas. Wait until Jason's out of the way, okay? Push her out. Okay, you gotta swim then. Swim. Okay, go ahead, get out and say cheese when you get out.
What do you say, cheese?
You say cheese when you get out. Good job, Nicholas.
Good cheese.
Alright, Jason, you say cheese to mommy when you get out.
He's getting tired.
Yeah. Hold on, Nicholas. Good job.
Good